Hello friends, today I am going to talk about how to calculate monthly electric bill. If you are using fan, tube lights, bulbs, geyser, etc. in your house, then how to calculate the total monthly bill that I am going to discuss with you today. The problem is like this: different electric appliances used by a family, their ratings and their number of hours used per day is given below. 1 month equals to 30 days. Find total electric bill. Rate of 1 unit equals to rupees 8. So fan is used for, number of fan are 4 and rating of one fan equals to 60 watts, and every day it is used for 6 hours per day. Similarly, bulb, 10 bulbs are utilized and rating of one bulb 20 watts and number of hours per day 10 hours. You see, nowadays we are using LED bulbs. For LED bulbs the wattage is less. Electric iron, one iron, of course only one we use, we don't use 10 irons. So electric iron 1 and rating of 1 is 500 watts and number of hours 1 hour, and geyser 1 and rating of 1 geyser 1000 watts and number of hours per day equals to 1 hour, and TV 1 and rating equals to 150 watts and number of hours equals to 6 hours per day it will utilize. So we need to find what would be the total electric bill, and rate of 1 unit equals to rupees 8. Now first of all we will find out the daily consumption in watt hour. So for the fan, one fan wattage is 60 watts and number of fan equals to 4 and number of hours every day it is utilized equals to 6. That is equals to see the calculator, 60 into 4 into 6 equals to 1440. So I got here 1440. So the total daily consumption of fan is 1440 watt hour. Similarly, bulb, what is the wattage of one bulb? 20 watts and number of bulbs equals to 10 and every day utilize how many hours? 10. So that is 20 into 10 into 10. So that is equals to 2000. That is altogether 2000 watt hour are utilized by the bulb. Now electric iron is how much wattage? 500 wattage and number of electric iron equals to 1 and number of hours every day equals to 1. That is a 500 watt hour. After that, geyser, wattage of geyser is 1000, number of geyser is 1 and every day utilized for 1 hour. So altogether 1000 watt hour. Similarly, we got here the TV and wattage is 150 and number of TV in the house 1 and number of hours equals to 6. So that is 900 watt hour. Now let us add all them. So first one is a 1440 plus 2000 plus 500 plus 1000 plus 900. Total equals to 5840 watt hour. So total watt hour in one day equals to 5840. But we are using for 1 month, total 1 month. Therefore, total watt hour for watt hour consumed for 1 month. Here 1 month equals to 30 days. So 1 day how much? 5840 watt hour multiplied by 1 month, that is 30. So 5840 into 30. 5840 multiplied by 30 equals to 175200 equals to 175200. So this many watt hour are consumed for 1 month. Now we will convert into kilowatt hour. Why kilowatt hour? Because according to the Board of Trade unit, the unit for electrical consumption is kilowatt hour. So to convert kilowatt hour, we are having the watt hour. So watt hour equals to how much? 175,200 watt hour. Now to convert into kilowatt hour, what I do here, I divide this figure by 1000. So this becomes 175.2 kilowatt hour. Now 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1 unit of electrical consumption. Therefore 175.2 kilowatt hour equals to 175.2 units, and it is given rate of 1 unit. Rate of 1 unit equals to rupees 8. Therefore total bill has to be calculated for 175.2 units. So total bill equals to 175.2 multiplied by 8. 175.2 multiplied by 8 equals to how much? 1401.6 rupees equals to 1401.6 rupees. Therefore total bill equals to rupees 1401.6 rupees. This would be the monthly bill of your house. Friends, this is the way we calculate the electric bill of entire home, entire family. If you have understood it, share with your friends, and also subscribe the channel, and meet you again with another video another time. Till then, wish you good luck, wish you all the best. Bye bye, see you, meet you again.